If your air conditioner is running but your Phoenix home keeps getting hotter, start with a few safe checks before the indoor temperature becomes dangerous. First, protect people and pets. Move older adults, young children, and anyone sensitive to heat to a reliably cooled location if the house is becoming unsafe. If someone shows signs of heat stroke, call emergency services. Next, confirm the thermostat is set to cool and below the room temperature. Check the air filter and replace it if it is visibly clogged. Make sure supply vents and return grills are open and not blocked by furniture. Look at the outdoor unit from a safe distance. Clear loose leaves or debris around it, but do not remove panels or reach inside. If you smell burning, see damaged wiring, or the breaker trips again after one reset, switch the system off. Warm air, repeated short cycling, ice on the refrigerant line, or a system that cannot lower the temperature can point to a problem that needs trained service. Do not attempt to add refrigerant or repair electrical components yourself. Write down when the problem started, the thermostat reading, unusual sounds, and the equipment model. Those details can make a service call more efficient. To locate an air conditioning service provider, call 877-320-4994. Again, that is 877-320-4994. This service connects callers with independent local providers, and availability varies by location.